Welcome to Toronto, Canada's bustling cosmopolitan hub, where the energy of a vibrant city meets the warmth of diverse cultures. Embark on an exploration of this captivating metropolis, where history, art, and urban sophistication blend seamlessly. Begin your journey at the iconic CN Tower, an architectural marvel dominating the skyline. Ascend to the observation deck for panoramic vistas of the city and Lake Ontario. Experience the adrenaline rush of the Edgewalk, walking along the tower's edge high above the ground. The harborfront offers a tranquil escape by the lake. Stroll through scenic parks, enjoy boat tours, and partake in cultural events at the Harbourfront Centre. The Royal Ontario Museum invites you to delve into its extensive exhibits, showcasing natural history, art, and world cultures. Immerse yourself in the Art Gallery of Ontario, boasting a diverse collection of Canadian and international art, including works by celebrated artists. The Distillery District, with its historic charm and cobblestone streets, houses art galleries, boutiques, and inviting cafes within refurbished Victorian-era buildings. Escape to the Toronto Islands via a short ferry ride, where serene landscapes and stunning skyline views await. Explore bike trails, relax on sandy beaches, or indulge in a picnic amid nature's tranquility. Yonge Dundas Square pulses with activity, echoing the vibrant spirit of Times Square. The area hosts live performances, events, and is surrounded by shops and dining options. Venture to Queen Street West, a trendy enclave known for its eclectic shops, art galleries, and an array of eateries reflecting the city's diverse culinary scene. Kensington Market offers a bohemian atmosphere filled with colorful murals, vintage stores, and an eclectic mix of international cuisine. Navigate through its narrow streets to discover a melting pot of cultures and creativity. Culinary enthusiasts will find paradise at St. Lawrence Market, a food lover's haven brimming with gourmet delicacies, fresh produce, and artisanal goods. Immerse yourself in the market's bustling atmosphere and sample a diverse range of international flavors. Toronto's diverse neighborhoods and architectural wonders, juxtaposed against modern skyscrapers and historic districts, create a captivating tapestry. Every corner tells a unique story, reflecting the city's rich heritage and global influences. As you explore Toronto's mosaic of cultures, vibrant art scene, and culinary delights, you'll find an endless array of experiences waiting to be discovered. From the towering heights of the CN Tower to the serene landscapes of the Toronto Islands, Toronto invites you to embrace its diversity and uncover the essence of this captivating metropolis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tour with Pour.